Well, been a while since I did some stuff with this, but it's been a while since I've streamed ever. Just gonna make sure it's going, and yeah, there it is. So I'm just gonna do some setup. Hold up. Uh, hmm. How do I do this again? Doc, there it is. Are you kidding me? I just sign in. Sorry, just trying to figure out how to get chat on the screen if everyone wants to chat. Kidding me? I hate two-step verification. Not now. Yeah, OBS is not showing because I don't really do that. That's YouTube Live Control Panel. Wait, I need the chat. There it is. I don't know if that is showing though. Hold on. Maybe if I do something. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Now chat should be up here. Right? Let me just make sure. By the looks of it, no. I don't know how to do this. Hold on. Chat just keeps disappearing. Um, Alright, I'll just have the chat on my phone again. Anyway, yeah, let's just get on with this. We're making Arch look like Ubuntu today. Uh, is there Arch? Just no, it's not. Alright. Other Linux kernel. There you go. And Arch Linux AKA. Nope, that's underscore. AKA. Oh no, how about this? Let's make a better name. Ubuntu a.k.a arch linux. Alright, and let's go about 40 gigabytes because I can. Alright, then let's go set up some RAM requirements. So 12. I think that'll be good. Finish. Alright. Let's just hopefully get this ready. So chat, I cannot get chat on, sadly. But I have live chat on my phone, so it should be fine. Welcome to Arch Linux. And I will be making an ISO for this. So if anyone here is watching, if you want to try it, you can go ahead and use it. I don't know, I just thought it would be fun. Alright. I hope you guys do not get mad at me for this, but we're gonna use Arch install because that will be better for me. Please don't get mad at me for that. Alright. Mirrors and repositories, select regions. Canada. Alright. Let's go disk config, partitioning, use best, VMware, ext4, back. Alright. So bootloader will stay grub. Hostname. Root password, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is with a capital U, so. Alright. User account, add user, Ubuntu. The username you entered is invalid. Alright. You cannot use, and password also will be the same as the username. So all lowercase Ubuntu. Yep. Confirm and exit. 2 people left. Are you mad at me for this? For doing it this way? I mean, I would agree with you. I'm not doing it the other way because I really don't know how else to do it. Anyway, I think that'll be it. Install. Yes. Alright, Arch is going. I really hope those 2 people did not leave just because I'm doing it like this. I mean, like, if you're mad at me, yeah, I'm okay with that. It's just because I really do not know, what I'm doing with this. I have used Arch before, but I don't want to waste like 3 hours just attempting to install it the other way. Alright, it's just installing, and hopefully this will be not horrible for me. I've had experience with Arch Linux before. I remember when I spent an hour figuring out network problems because just 'cause I forgot to put turn on or enable network manager in the installation. And by the people who always say this is the hardest operating system to install, I totally get that because of what I went through. 11 out of 162. What? Alright, looks like we're gonna be here for a while. Oh no, it went fast. Okay, good. That went by really quick, quicker than I initially thought. Alright. Ah, sweet. It is done. Alright. Reboot system. Alright, now we got Arch Linux. Sweet. See, that's the thing that looks like Ubuntu. Alright. Ubuntu login. Alright. Let's get GNOME installed. So, I don't know. I'm about to do this for some stupid reason. If this bricks my install, I really will be mad. Alright, there's nothing to do. Good. Um, let's get, KDE. Not KDE, it's GNOME. Ubuntu runs off of GNOME, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, I've done this before, where I was, deciding between GNOME and KDE for this. So, hold on. Try to remember it. I don't think it's sudo pacman. Hmm. So I chose KDE. I think it is. Oh yeah, I remember now. All right, it's sudo pacman -s gnome. Or actually, I don't think it's not capitalized. There we go. Default all. Uh, nah, yeah, right. Um, how do I try to remember this? So, oh my, I already forget how to do it. I think it's just enter. There it is. Yep. Enter number default 1. Proceed with installation. Yes. Alright, we're getting gnome on here. 535. Oh no. This might take a while. And to be honest, I have not streamed on this channel in a while after what happened last time. And I was gaming with my friends. And then I was not able to live stream for about like 5 months. Now I can again, so that's great. And that's what my friends said, and then I was not able to live stream for I don't know how long. I'm pretty sure it was 5 months at least. Yes, it's going really fast. I'm not surprised about that. You know what? I never tested out to make sure audio works. Hold on, I have it pulled up on my phone for chat. You know what? I never tested Yep. All right, audio's working. Sweet. So that's good, and then so I heard my voice for like a tiny bit there. So I'd say we are good on audio for now. Forgot how long it takes to do some stuff like this. Okay. Possibly missing firmware from module AST. Oh no. Oh no. That's a lot of warnings. I do not know about that anymore. Alright. We are here. Now, I'm gonna, I guess, just enable it. So what we need to do is we need system CTL, I believe, enable GDM. Oh. Oh, okay. I thought that red text was like an error or some crap, but no. A. Anyway. Alright, system CTL. Alright, well. System CTL. Start GDM. Alright, let's see if GNOME. Heck yes. Alright, we got GNOME on here. That's a good sign. But we need to change that to the Ubuntu. Alright. Okay, let's take a look. So this is our Ubuntu desktop here. It doesn't look like Ubuntu, but that's fine. We're gonna do it yet. We're gonna go ahead and just start with it. Alright, web. Let's get Firefox on here. because that's what Ubuntu uses. I feel like installing another Ubuntu desktop, like just a Ubuntu VM that I can switch to, and then we can have some like, you know, .exe? What do you mean exe? That's Windows. I'm not a Windows. It's not Windows. Okay. So, we need terminal. Is terminal here? Or no, it's console. Right. All right. We're gonna go ahead. Sudo. Oh shoot. Sudo. I don't think apt will work, but let's just try it anyway. Yep, apt command not found. There is no apt in here. All right. Sudo pacman -s Firefox. Enter a number. Default 1. Proceed with installation. Yes. All right. We're already getting too close to getting Ubuntu on this thing. We got GNOME. That's good. GNOME is what Ubuntu. All right. You know what? Let's go ahead and I should install another VM with Ubuntu. All right. We're gonna unpin Firefox. Then we're gonna app details. We're gonna uninstall this. How do I uninstall it? I don't know how to uninstall it, but that's fine. So here's the thing. We're gonna need to get the Ubuntu logos, I think. We're gonna have to get the taskbar here. So settings, system. Yeah, this is not really good. We need to change this to Ubuntu somehow. Yeah, I think it's a 3-core. No, that's a 6-core CPU, which kind of sucks, but I mean it still works. I don't care. I only like to use half my CPU, but you know what? Let's go ahead and get another Ubuntu one, just for reference, like see what we are gonna be doing to figure out how to make it Ubuntu. And so let's go ahead and just create a new one. Then let's wait, do I even have Ubuntu on here? Oh no. Alright. We're gonna search it, alright? Ubuntu. Yes we do. Alright, so we're going 25. We're gonna make it look like that. So we're just gonna, this is gonna be for reference. Username, just gonna be reference, because I do not care about anything else. Password, always, I love to make it no on some stuff. Single file, we'll keep it 20, actually, yeah, we'll keep it 20 gigabytes. 2 CPU cores, sure. So if this is gonna be 2 CPU cores, then I'm gonna change this to 2 CPU cores, so I don't use my most of it, alright? Boom. Alright. I still have 2 cores left. I don't want to use my whole CPU and risk blue screen. Wait, no. No, no, no. Wrong one. Wrong one. We need to install Ubuntu. We need to. This is our reference operating system to make sure, like, this is how we're gonna figure out. What is this? I downloaded this from the official Ubuntu website. I really hope it is, at least. Yep, there it is. 2504. There we go. So, we're gonna take a look here, try and get everything the same on Arch, and just figure it out. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm doing, but it'll be fine. I'm sure. Alright, it is currently loading up. We're gonna have to get the background and the design of this. Alright. Oh, there we go. Welcome to Ubuntu. We're gonna attempt this installation. We're gonna probably steal it out of this operating system, put it on a flash drive, and just do that. Otherwise, I don't know what to do. So let's just try this, alright? So we're gonna steal the background out of this. We're gonna steal this installation. So let's go ahead and install this just because we need to. English US, yep. Use wired. Install. Sure. Default. Just next. I don't really care about anything else. All we're here for is just so we know what it's gonna look like. Erase disk, yep. No encryption, because I don't care. Your name. Just. Can I just get no password, dude? Require my password to log in. I still need a password. Okay. Fine. No. See, perfect. It's the best password you can ever get. Just no. Because I don't care. I don't care that I'm showing you this. This is gonna get erased after we get it done anyway. So, alright. Copying files. Let's power on this one. Hopefully I don't blue screen, because that would suck. I think I've done it before where I had like 3 going at once and then it blue screened. That was 3. This is not 3. This is only 2. So it's only taking up 4 cores. Hopefully it won't blue screen, because that will suck. So we are here, back on the Arch Linux desktop. So let's just make notes. We're gonna have to change this to the Ubuntu logo. We're gonna have to put this taskbar on the side and make it on this side as well, somehow. And then we have to get all the icons. I want to uninstall this, but I can't. Maybe I can remove it with console or something. So that's my idea. Now let's go back to Ubuntu. It's still installing. Okay. So I would say let's let this install and then go ahead and steal. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna steal the background. We're gonna steal all the logos. I actually don't think I'm gonna post this online because I feel like Canonical will get mad at me. But if you want, you can take this video as a guide and do it yourself if you want to. I don't care. But I'm not gonna post it online. This is live, so it's not edited at all. So I'm not gonna post this online. You can just take it. You should just use this as a guide. So while this is installing, I would say let's go ahead and just start with this. Okay. So we're gonna need to install GNOME extensions. Alright? We need GNOME extensions. That is not how you spell sudo. Sudo pacman -s. I think it's GNOME -extensions. Target not found. Okay. Let's check out the store. So explore a search. GNOME extensions. Alright, there we go. Install. We have it. The GNOME extensions, we have it now, so that's sweet. Alright, while that's installing, let's go ahead and just see how our Ubuntu's doing. Still installing the system, okay. Oh, that's home, not. Alright, we're back on here. We got GNOME extensions going. Wait, do we already have it installed? Oh. Oh, here we go. Here's the uninstall area. Alright, web uninstall. That is not what we use on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is Firefox. It comes with Firefox, so but like I said, the only reason I'm not gonna actually um I don't know. Only reason I'm not gonna go ahead and give this out is because I do not want to get in trouble with Canonical with this. If I will, I don't know if I will or not, but I still don't want to risk it. It's taking a while. Also, extensions is already installed. So, oh, to find and add extensions, go here. Okay. Is this loading web? It's supposed to be Firefox. Hmm. Ah well. Let's just go ahead and hope. So what we need to do, I'm just gonna close that out and close that out. So what I'm planning on doing is we're gonna need to mess around with settings a little bit. And we're just gonna figure this out, attempt to get that taskbar on the side showing, and then hopefully get it done. So let's start with the taskbar, if you want to call it taskbar. I don't know. And then, okay, to be honest, I really do not know what I'm doing here. So, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just figure this out. So we're gonna need to change this. We're gonna need to change this. That's what we're gonna have to do. Okay. Appearance. Let's try this. Get dark because I hate light mode. Oh, the background change. That's nice. Alright. So here's a background you can actually. What the heck? Oh, no. It's, loading some backgrounds we can choose from. So hopefully, in the end, we will be able to get, this done. I don't know if I'm gonna get this done or not. It really depends. So yeah, obviously I don't have a Ubuntu wallpaper here, but we're still gonna look for one, alright? Multitasking. If you go fast, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. Okay. For a second I thought if you remember, I think if you go really fast, sometimes the cursor just goes and like it just gets bigger. That's all it does. Alright, we'll gotta figure this out later. We still need the Ubuntu stuff. Oh my. Okay, this might take longer than I thought. So I'm just gonna wait for this. How about that? Nah, you know what? I don't care. So let's go find Ubuntu 2504. Wait, heh, wasn't in the VM. So save and continue. I don't really care. Alright, Ubuntu 25.04. background. Like, or no, not background. Let's just search up wallpaper. Wallpapers. Alright, this is it. Ubuntu handbook. That's it. So this is what we need. This is what we need. Yeah. This is what we're looking for. Save image as. Just save it. Alright. Let's go to the files. And why does this kind of look like a Mac OS to me? To me, it looks Mac OS like, but it isn't. So anyway, we got this set as background. Set. It's just blue. What? Did I get scammed? No. Why is it blue? It's not even loading. Amazing. Look at this. Look at this. It looks proper. Set as background. It's just blue. That's it. What's going on? I don't know. But anyway, we're just gonna go here. Hmm. Wait, no, go back. I saw something. We're gonna do that. 46 minutes left for 725 megabytes. Why? Why? Just why? What's wrong with you? Man. 1 hour? What the heck? Okay. I guess we're waiting. I'd like to minimize. I cannot minimize. So this is gonna be open the whole time? That's it? You're just gonna stay like that? Alright, this is done. Oh, it's black. See, look at that. We're gonna have to steal the Ubuntu boot logo. That splash screen somehow. I don't know, I think Arch is not Arch. I think Ubuntu is just, I don't know, not even based on something else. But I do want to try something. Alright. Oh, okay. Just some code, I guess. Man. Alright. Welcome to Ubuntu 2504. Alright, now, alright. So, this is the wallpaper we need. Alright. So, this is what we're gonna have. We need this taskbar on the side. We need this wallpaper specifically, and we need, I don't know. We need icons. We need icons. That's basically it. Everything else, I don't know. I don't know how they got the taskbar on the side, but we will figure it out. So, I guess let's go ahead and go into settings and just look at this stuff. Alright. Oh. Uh, remind me later. I don't really care right now. Alright. So up on about, we need this logo up here. We need this to be changed somehow. Well-being, screen time unavailable. Huh, I wonder how long I've been using this today. I don't know if it's been like an hour yet. Oh, wait. I don't know how long this has been going from now. We've been doing this for about 40 minutes. Oh my. That is hilarious. And only now we got Ubuntu ready, already installed. 40 minutes? Like, dang. At this rate, we're gonna be done with this in like 17 hours or something. But like, still, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so let's, whoa, 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 why'd that all of a sudden just get bigger? Oh, what'd I do? Oh, that's what I did. I made them bigger. Wait, what? Oh, that actually kind of looks good. Oh no, we don't have this. Okay, that might screw us up a little bit. We do not have the Ubuntu desktop in here. Like, hold on. Settings. Wait, what? Oh, sweet! Heck yeah. Alright, well, settings. Yeah, we don't have the Ubuntu desktop. Alright, this might be harder than I thought. This might be harder than I thought. Alright, let's, do this. We're gonna have to figure this out. And I do not know how. But I will do it. Let me just do some thinking how we're gonna do this. Alright, I have an idea. So let's go on into here. So by the looks of it, yeah, this thing went way faster after a while, so that's good. We did not have to wait a long time. Alright, Ubuntu wallpapers. Oh wait, it's still extracting. Hold on, let's let it extract. That is going really fast. And then Ubuntu wallpapers 2504. Alright, let's go find the 25 one. Oh no. How big is this library? Uh, Oh my. Oh no, where is this? Man, I don't like this already. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Alright. Set as background. Set. So, yes! Yes, we got it, we got it, we got it! Okay, we got it! That is already step, I don't know what step that is. I think step 1 was installing Arch, and step 2 is getting Gnome. I think alright, we just finished step 3. Heck yes. Alright, so now I have some commands we can do. So we're gonna use yaru slash gtk dash theme yaru icon theme. Bang. That's what we're doing. Error tag. Oh crap. Hmm. Let's try something else. Sudo dash s. Wait, no, we need Pacman. Huh. Pacman dash s ttf dash Ubuntu dash font dash family. Bang. Oh, it found something. Okay. So we're gonna install tweaks, sudo pacman. I don't know if it's possible in command prompt. Yep, we don't have a, wait, oh, spelled pacman wrong. Yep, that's kind of what I found. That's kind of what I thought. So we need to set it as our system font. So I guess that means settings. So I like this already. We got our first step done. No, not first. First step was installing Arch. Alright. Where font? Alright, we're just gonna do good old search. Ah, dang it. That's gonna suck. Appearance, how about, nope. That does not do anything, that's just wallpapers. Dang it. Alright. How do I do this? That's privacy security. Xrander. Virtual 1 monitor. Not calibrated. Ah, okay. That's not... So how do we... Right, DE. So, tweaks. I already have the extensions app, I'm sure. Yeah. But yeah, we cannot detect a copy of GNOME. Alright then. Well, so we need dash to dock, I'm sure. Dash dock. Extension manager, that's what we need. There we go. That's what we need. Okay. Alright, open. We got it. We got no extension manager. Alright, browse. Dash to dock. Install. I think that's how we're gonna get the, the taskbar at the bottom. Installed. Sweet. Alright. How do we use it? Okay. It's installed. Oh, yes, there it is. Alright. Heck yes. Alright, we got it. We got it. We got it. Okay. Cancel. Screw you. Screw you. Screw you. Heck yes. Alright. So that's already step 4. We got it. I would do Ubuntu sounds, but I'm gonna get in trouble if I do that, so I'm not gonna bother at all. I'm not gonna bother at all doing that. Alright? I'm not gonna bother, so let's go ahead and do this. Just 'cause I can. Alright, so we got that done. Now, we need to figure out how to get that. So settings. Left. Yes! So showing all monitors. Dock size limit. 100%. Oh, sure. Oh, we need. Alright, look at that! Icon size limit. Let's go 96 pixels. And then just 0 again. Alright, we got that. And, perfect. That is way too small. 64. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. We are already going so close to the look of it. As of right now, it looks just like it. Like, it just perfect. Except, what the heck? Hold on. Ubuntu's glitching out. Ubuntu was glitching out a little bit by the looks of it. So we're gonna reboot it. I need the Ubuntu to take a look. Otherwise, I don't know what else to do. Alright. So, oh yep, it's bigger. Okay, we're gonna have to change that up a little bit. Okay. So we need to figure out how to a tad bit smaller. That could work, but I mean, that's the size. That is the size. Place icons to the center. Nah, this looks more like it now. How do we get the appearance? How about that? Oh no, is it bigger again? I think it went bigger again. Yeah, it did. Come on, man. Don't do that to me. 32 was it, right? Yep. Right. Appearance. Opacity. That is what we're gonna have to change. Dynamic. Oh gosh. Okay, now that sucks. Fixed. What's the opacity of this? Do it gets dark? But I have a feeling that's just this. Okay, nope. What is it kinda like? Like this one? Oh my, there you go. That's kinda like a black look. Should we just set it straight black? Bam. Oh yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, that looks like it. Alright, uh, let's just take a look at that opacity. I think 65 is good, right? Oh, 65 is perfect. Okay. So look how close we are already to it. Look at this. We are already so close to the Ubuntu look. Now we need icons. Alright. And I do want to go with the installer already. Alright, well, we are already like halfway there, I feel like. And that is good. I do not want to spend the rest of the day on this. I started this over an hour ago, I believe. 55 minutes ago. I I did not expect it to go this quick. I thought it was gonna be about like 3 hours or something. Or even longer than that. But still, we need to get the installer, so I think I know what I'm gonna do. So where is that? You. So here it is, install. We're gonna have to steal fonts. There it is. We got the font. Alright, I think we're gonna need this. So we have this right here. Oh no. Um, I do not want to screw up the entire thing. Let's not mess with grub, how about? Okay. Ubuntu. Uh, oh no, that just goes here. What the heck? Alright, well, EFI, boot. That's just EFI crap and stuff, but pool. Alright, hold on. We're gonna shut this down. And then we're gonna boot up. And we're gonna boot off a CD. CD-ROM. Just so we can get back into the installer so I can attempt to pull the installation out of it. Like the installation screen you get when it's like preparing Ubuntu and like all that. I need to steal that somehow. Otherwise, then the installer won't feel like it. And also, we need the icons. And we might need this boot screen. We might need this boot screen as well. Okay. While this is booting, I'm actually just gonna quickly go check something out. If I'm not doing anything, just so you know, I'm not really gonna be in my room at the moment. So just give me a moment. Alright, sorry for the wait. I'm back though. Here's our. So we're in the installer. And we're gonna have to figure out where to get this from. So, app details. Are we also gonna need rhythm box? I mean, I just want the icons as well. Alright, here it is. Ubuntu Desktop Bootstrap. We're gonna need this. Alright? We're gonna need this. Most likely. What? Chromium? Right. Chromium. Alright, well, that's not gonna do. We need to find, where is it? Showing files. Oh. It just takes me to the desktop. Okay. App details. So I wanted, can you uninstall this from the system and then you're just like stuck, you'll never be able to install it again? Alright, links developer website. Help. Look, I need this link to then just type into Arch. Oh, okay. Okay, I opened up a little too much. Alright, here it is. So we have it here. Code. Download zip. Unknown time. Alright, well, it's done. So if I put this there, Bootstrap. Well, here it is. Test. Install. How do I do this though? Maybe if I git clone it? Would that work? I actually wonder. Cause I feel like it might. But there's also a file folder called packages, provision, assets, images. Alright. See? Wait. Oh. Guys. I think. Oh wait, no, this is just other stuff. Never mind. I thought I just found with the. Oh gosh. I think my Wi-Fi. Right. Streaming takes up so much Wi-Fi. That's why I'm glad we have two internet in my house. One just for me and my brother, and then the rest of my family. And then no one else but me and my brother uses that other one, and he's not home, so I get to just use it. So it's fine. But now, where do I get these pictures? I need the icons. Like, I need them. ISO Linux. So this is a CD-ROM. Custom. Alright, that won't work. So documents obviously won't have nothing. So I think if you control yes. There it is. State, share, Flatpak. I don't need that. Sounds? Yeah, there's nothing in there. Good. I'm not stealing them. I'm just trying to figure out how to get the dang fail. Alright, what do these look like? Pitch black. Perfect. I guess they are called fail. But look, I'm just looking for icons. So you know, let's go search up Ubuntu icons download. I need some. 895 Ubuntu icons. Okay. I hope this isn't piracy. I really hope not. I'm gonna be dead if this is. Oh. So we have gnome, but also we need the like just download. Okay. Free. There's paid. Is it paid? Ubuntu app icons. All right. We are on the Ubuntu apps or icons. Actually, let's see. Where is the icon images for Ubuntu? Ubuntu icons for applications and system elements are primarily stored in the user share icons directory. So user specific icons can be found in that slash icons or local share icons. Telling me it's in local share. There is no such thing as icons here. It does not say icons. Does ICC? Nope. Nothing in that. So I really still don't know what's going on. So applications icons under user share. What? What is USR? Like I'm just struggling with this right now. Uh Alright, you know what? We're just gonna maybe boot the yeah, use USR. Where is USR? I'm looking maybe because like look at this. I'm on a live CD right now. Maybe if I go to home, wait, slash user, oh, dot user, no, it's supposed to be slash user, local, share, fonts, why is there nothing in there? Alright, you know what, let's go into the frickin' normal boot. Let's go into the normal one because I feel like that might help me a little bit. I don't know how we're gonna get the splash screen, but let's just boot into the normal Ubuntu. How is Arch? Oh gosh. No, this one's crapped out too. When nothing happens? Oh no. That's not good. We're gonna have to shut it down. Let's just leave it shut down for a little bit while we do this. I really don't know how long this will take to finish. I'd like to get it done at least by 4 or 3. So we still got like 2 or 3 hours. Okay. Alright, we are here in the original one that's installed. So slash user share. Yep. See? There are more here. So where's I? We're looking for I. Because supposedly icons will be here. If I can find I. I. But that's icons! Yes! Guess what we found? Icons! Alright. I should prepare a USB flash drive for this. So I'm gonna just take a random one that I have, plug it in. So connect to a virtual machine, Ubuntu 64-bit, ISO image. Oh, this is an installation. Hold on. I wanna figure out what this one is first. I wonder what it is. Disconnect. ISO image. What boot is this? EFI boot. Boot X6. Yeah, obviously. boot. What is this though? I'm honestly so confused. System, library, core services, disk label boot.yet. Oh my. I wonder what this is. You know what? Let's not touch this one. I kind of want to figure out what this one is. Oh, let's just grab this one. This is another random one I have. Connect to host. Lexar, it's just Lexar. Just Lexar. Oh, this has my user configuration for Arch on something else. That's fine. We can use this one. Because as long as I don't delete that, I should be fine. Alright. Lexar, we got it here. Yeah, user configuration, that is, for my Arch Linux, one of my Arch Linux installs I cannot get rid of. I need that. Alright, Yaru. So, what are these? Let's just check out 8x8. So, okay. Yikes. Alright, that's not what we're gonna need. So, these are all just random stuff. I need the actual apps. There it is. Guess what we found today, man. Okay, we need this. We need to copy this. Alright. Copy. Paste. Nope. Copy. Paste. What? File system does not. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. What's wrong with you? I need this. I need it. Come on, man. I need these icons, or else I'm not gonna be able to do this. Move to trash, just because that one sucked. Alright. User. We need a slash user. Slash user. Share. Icons. Yaru. Then we need you want 256 by 256. It's here. Let's just say copy to Lexar. Select. Skip that one. Can I just not do anything? Oh man. By the looks of it, it won't work. Anything. Copying 94. Wait, what? Containing 238. That's not even close, dude. Alright, Lexar apps. We still got a bunch of stuff. You know what? I think we might be fine. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. Alright. So that's icons. I think we're done here for now. But sweet, we got icons now. Alright, we're gonna go to the Ubuntu, aka Arch Linux, and VM, removable devices, we're gonna connect. Yep. Wait, my speaker's still on, what?
Power off.
I don't know why my speaker was still on, but okay. Alright, so we need to figure out how to change this Arch Linux logo. But other than that... Alright, Lexar. Huh. Apps. So you know what I would say? Let's go here. Go to slash user. Share. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Hold on. We're gonna go to here. We're just gonna replace the whole icons apps file. So Ubuntu root user root share root icons root slash apps folder. So yeah, location. So I want to download it. I want the whole thing. Like, I just need the whole thing. Cause then, you know what I can do? I can do something like this. Hold on. That's calendar, idiot. So here's what I can do. I can go slash user, share, find icons, icons, then, what? Default. What the heck? 16 by 16, what? Okay, we're gonna have to figure, oh, high color, 256 by 2, yeah. Wait, what? That is not what I'm looking for. Oh, we need the apps, what the heck? Oh, is it 512 by 512? Empty? What? Okay. 256 by 256 doesn't have much. I do not want to check all of them, but I might have to. Are you kidding me, man? Oh, okay. Okay, no. I don't think we're gonna do the icons. I really don't know what I'm doing here. So I guess we can't get icons, but we got most of it. Like, it's still, but we also need this. Okay, show pinned, show running, except this is the only thing that we need to change. Okay, so I don't want to, I do kind of feel like ending it right here, but I can't, man. I can't. We ain't done yet, so I don't, like, this is already really close, but it's not fully done yet. So I'm trying to think here. Alright, I'm gonna figure out some stuff. We need console right now. So we're gonna pin the dock, because I need it. Alright, so I do want to see something. System, CTL. Wait, no, it needs to be sudo. Sudo, system, CTL, status, GDM. Okay. So it is already going. Yeah, I don't have yay yet. We're gonna need yay, I think. So here's what I'm gonna do. I think we should have git. So I'm just gonna go something quick. Sudo pacman -s git. Proceed with installation. Git is not installed yet. Wait. Git clone. Let me just try and remember. So it's I've just pulled up on my phone to find it. It's HTTPS. Damn, bam, bam. Wait. Wrong one. R dot arch linux .org/yay.get. That's not .get. Cloning into yay. Alright. cd yay. Heck yes. Make package -si. Yes. Proceed. Alright, so what I'm doing here is trying to get the login screen to look proper. Like, remove the Arch Linux logo at the bottom, put the Ubuntu logo. Alright, so we fake root environment? There's a lot of stuff happening. Why do I need more passwords? Yes, why is it installing so much? Oh, there we go. Alright, so now we can do yay -s yaru. Actually, hold on. We're just gonna slash shoot a dot slash. I'm trying to remember how to get back. Right. So dash, I guess that slash home slash Ubuntu. We're going back. I'm trying to. Oh wait. Bam slash home slash Ubuntu. Dang it. Okay. How do I get back? Alright, we're just gonna reopen it because I really don't know what else to do. We need yay -s yaru -gdm -theme. There's nothing to do. No package? What? Why? What's wrong with it? Oh, sorry, I took a screenshot by accident. I'm trying to troubleshoot this. Okay, this might be a fix. Yay -s yaru /gtk -theme yaru -icon -theme. Damn. Theme yaru sound theme. Oh, it's downloading yaru. That's good. All. All. Yep. Alright. It is going. We're getting yaru. Alright. Yeah, another drink. That honestly sucks that we couldn't just steal it straight from Ubuntu. That really sucks. Remove make depend. Yes. Oh my. Yes, dang it. Go. See, this is why Arch is so customizable. Look at this. This looks so much like Ubuntu already, I would say. The only thing I hate is that the icons are so small. Hold on, I want to figure something out. I'll go back to GNOME Extension Manager. And we're gonna actually do some more settings with this. So I want it to stay the icon. If I move it to 96, okay, that's too big anyway. If I move it to 48, which is perfect, I hate it. It just, like, hold on, man. I don't want it to do. I want it to stay. It's too big like this. Or should we just leave it like this? I'm honestly thinking about it. Or this. This could. No, you want 48. I know it's big, but we're just gonna do that. We're gonna leave it like this. I don't care that it's too big. It looks the best. I would say. Okay. It's still going. I can see. Really, it's still going. I'm wondering how this is possible. So we are over an hour currently of filming. I can tell. Jeez, this is taking a while. Taking longer than I initially expected. Oh, that took a while. I've now my activate Windows is watermark is back. Amazing. Yeah, I've not activated Windows yet, but that's fine with me. Primarily because I don't care. I'm not spending $100 on this. Or over 100. I really don't. So whatever. Anyway, it's taking a while, I can tell. How long has it been doing this for? Look, I'm still thinking this is Ubuntu, but no it isn't. If we opened another one and did NeoFetch, hold on. Does NeoFetch even work on Arch? It does not. What works? I think is Quick Fetch a real thing? I think so. No. Screen Fetch I think I've seen work. Bam. What? Okay. Wait, no. If I close it out, I would hate myself. Why does NeoFetch not work on here? I do kind of want NeoFetch on here, so you know what? It will make it really funny. So, yay is already installed, so we're going to do yay-s NeoFetch. Yep. All, yes. Sweet, now we can get NeoFetch on here. The only reason I'm doing this is because it will look really funny. How like, oh, it's Ubuntu, and then I do NeoFetch and it's Arch, I'm like, oh, dang. So, okay. So it is getting NeoFetch ready. How is this? Still going, I can tell. Alright. So now, if I'm correct, if we do NeoFetch, Alright, there it is. Arch. Yes. We have NeoFetch, it works. My memory is 12 gigs, obviously. VMware SVGA. I mean, I'm not surprised. I actually have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. I don't care. I like this. This is funny to me. You are still going. You are taking forever. I hate this for that one reason. But like, look at this. This is not Ubuntu right now. It is Arch. Just, just, dang. It would be honestly funny if I said this was Ubuntu and because I had everything. But then whenever the person went to do NeoFetch, it would just show this. And I'm like, oh no. Huh. Oh, I keep almost closing it when this is still going. But also, this is actually taking a long time. Still, how long will this take? Like, I swear, this has been going for so long. To be honest, today I didn't even think I was gonna be able to make this happen, but, we're most of the way done. I think this will also give us icons. All me and you guys are doing are just watching random stuff happen. You also saw me get NeoFetch installed. Still though, I like this. More stuff was happening, but now still nothing is happening again. All it is just creating and then starting and then creating and then starting. It's just to make a screenshot just in case something bad happens. After this is done installing, we will go ahead and do that, alright? You know what I should do? I should actually make an ISO for this and call it Ubuntu 2504 and send it to a random YouTuber who's gonna install it on some piece of some random piece of technology. Just say it's Ubuntu 25, and then whenever he does NeoFetch, he'll be like, "What the heck?" It's gonna be so. It would be so funny just to watch that happen. So yeah, I should do that. That would be funny. But now, also 7:52 p.m. What? All right, we need to fix that right now. The next thing we're also gonna have to fix is this and the grub and boot menu. Look, we still are not done yet. It is not. I don't know when we're gonna be done, but trust me, it's not gonna be soon, probably. Well, okay, where the heck is date and time? There it is. So where's date and time? It's not even on here. Is it? I mean, unless I'm just scrolling too fast, but by the looks of it, it is not. Oh, what? Time zone? Okay. I like to go 24-hour. But also, it's not Linden. There it is. There we go. Now it's the correct time. It is almost 2 o'clock, so I like 24-hour, don't judge me for that, alright? Anyway, still doing random stuff that I don't wanna do this for that so long. Hmm. You all get to suffer with me, waiting for this stuff to just work. It's just great starting, come on! How long has this been going now? Cause look how much this is. And I think it's like, why? And it's okay. Well, I'm just gonna start doing whatever. I'm just gonna mute. I'm gonna do whatever the heck I want because I'm really getting tired of this. So, whoever's watching, if you wanna just leave for now, go ahead. Cause I'm really done with this. Really, just as I say that and get off, all of a sudden it's done. Most likely. Oh, come on, man. That actually sucks. Well, that was a fun, like 15 minutes. I don't. That's not actually how long it took. I don't think. All right, that's good. All right. Well, now that that's done, let's go ahead and just apply it. So copy. We need sudo cp-r. Oh gosh. All right. -r/user /share /themes /yaru /user /share /gnome shell /theme / that should be it. Command not. Oh my. I hate when I do that. cp-r user /share /themes /yaru. Then it's /user, then /share /gnome shell /theme / so cannot create directory. Share three. Come on! I keep doing this to myself. I don't understand why. So glad I noticed that. Please. Did I make? I did. Hey, that's why you always look over. Oh, crap. There you go. Share, yep, Yaru share, no shell theme. Jeez. Okay, I am so good at making mistakes when typing fast. Right? Like, I don't know why, but I like to type fast, alright? I really do, because I can get done much faster. But when you type fast like that, you make a bunch of mistakes, like me right now. Okay. Will it work? Yes. I need sudo nano. Nana? sudo nano slash etc, oh shoot, slash etc slash dconf slash db slash gdm dot d slash o1 dash theme. Oh, I have not installed nano yet. Crap. Sudo pacman dash s nano. I never installed nano. Okay, now we should be good. Nano slash etc slash dconf slash db slash gdm dot d slash o1 dash theme. Bang. What the heck? Directory what? etc slash dconfig dot db dot gdm dot d slash does not exist? What do you mean does not exist? Alright, you know what, dude? I don't care. Wait, but hold on. I keep taking screenshots, dang it. So, I'm wondering what to do here. Okay, I have an idea. So, what we're gonna do, sudo make dir dash b slash etc slash dconfig slash db slash gdm dot d. Bang. Alright, now we can sudo nano into that slash dconfig slash db slash gdm dot config. Wait, what? Is it? No. It's just, why did I say deconfig? Why was I doing deconfig again? Alright, well, o1 dash theme. Bam. There we go. And now, what we can do is this. I'm gonna have to type all this out. But that's fine, right? Interface gtk dash theme equals yaru. So icon dash theme equals also yaru. And then cursor dash theme equals also yaru. Everything is yaru. Alright. When that's done, control X, yes, just go. Then now you just need sudo I wonder what that means. Deconfig update. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Alright. We're gonna have to redo that. Sudo deconfig update. Alright, update. So I think we just did it. So let's log out. Did it work? No. It didn't. Huh. So that sucks. What if I tried rebooting? Nah, let's try something else. So we need to remove the Arch Linux logo. That's what we need to do. So let's go to console. And we need sudo -u gdm dbus -launch g settings. Oh yeah, g settings set org.gnome. I think that's it. Or we org. So org.gnome dot login dash screen. Wait, what? No. Org.gnome dot login 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 dash screen logo. That's it. Ubuntu. Alright. So now we need sudo systemctl restart gdm. It's just gone entirely. Huh. Sweet. So I want to replace it with the Ubuntu logo. That is a thing. So we're gonna have to download it separately. And then we're gonna have to do that somehow. Alright. So let's go ahead and download it. So now it's just gone entirely. Ubuntu 25.04 logo. So it's called Plucky Puffin, supposedly. And we just need images. That is what we need. We need that. So I guess we could, like, somehow just steal it from somewhere. I don't know where. Heh. I But trust me, it's gonna be funny after this. Oh, yikes. Okay. Login logo. Let's just look for that. How about that? Down there, we need that. This is 2004. This is 2004. I know that. Alright. Icon finder. Ubuntu 25.04. Oh wait, that makes sense. Alright. Ubuntu 25.04. Still fine, just Ubuntu. There you go. But we need this with the Ubuntu next to it. So shall we just scroll around? I mean, I guess. I don't know where else to do it. Man, come on, it's just blank now. Oh, come on, man. Don't just do it here. Yeah, let's just steal this one. It's not gonna be perfect, but yeah, whatever. It ain't the real thing, but that does not matter. Okay. So now that that's done, here's what you need. So we've placed it. I have an idea where we can put it. So it's in downloads. You can just go ahead, copy to, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to /user /dot share /share /pixmaps and just there. Bam. Oh, this is where the Arch Linux logo is. Huh, that's funny. Error while copying. Permission denied. I have an idea. So now what we need to do is this. So remember how we did it before? How we got into that to remove the original one? We just need to do that same thing. Yeah, so I found where you put it. I guess I could just steal that and then I'll have you into one. Alright. So here's what we need to do. Just hold on a second. So I'm switching with the Ubuntu logo. We have put it. Alright, you ready? Sudo dash u gdm dbus launch g settings set org.gnome dot login dash screen. So logo and then dash. So it's at slash Homer Simpson. Wow, that's cool. Right. So it's in home downloads, and then just I guess rename it to Ubuntu.png. So home slash downloads slash just Ubuntu.png. Bam, bang, bang. Then we need. Then you know what we do right after that? Sudo systemctl restart GDM. It's not there. What? Did I screw up? Alright, well, who cares? But it did not. Why did it not work? Did I screw up something? Let's try again. Let's try that again. How about. So I might have screwed up. Or maybe because I renamed it and then it just did not find it. Right? Could that be it? I mean, it might have been. So let's just do it again and make sure we don't make any spelling mistakes or anything like that. Just like I could have done something wrong. I could have. Such org.gnome login slash screen. Wait, slash. It's dash. Logo slash home slash downloads slash ubuntu.png. We need the slash there. Hold on. Bam. Ubuntu and systemctl restart GDM. Now you're all of a sudden asking me for a password. Last time I didn't. It's still not there. You know what? I give up on this. I give up on that. And the boot screen won't do it. We will never be able to make that. Well, this is the final product, I guess you could say. This was really fun to do. Go ahead and, like me going ahead and trying to make Arch look like Ubuntu. It looks really similar. I know I won't be able to make all of it done, so this is it. Anyway, I hope to see you again in a future video if you're still watching this. But I would say go ahead, like, subscribe this if you want. And yes, that'll do it. Goodbye. Thank you for this. Thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed me attempting to make Arch Linux look like Ubuntu. I'll see you in the next one.